Hello, friends. I have a strong desire to reach the Jostock platform, and I can say I have a dream to reach there through my hard work, through this English language. So, friends, my desire, uh, my desires are compelling me to work on my dream and you can say now I compelled to achieve my goals. I don't feel happy if I don't practice for a single day. That's why I have to do English speaking practice every day. It would be a great privilege for me when I will reach the Jostock platform. It would be a great privilege for me when I can present my opinion in front of Jostock's audience, isn't? So, I try to work on my dream, and I have been learning this language for the last 3 months, but I am feeling stuck for a few days. I'm feeling like I'm not improving, and my subscribers and my viewers are also less than before. That's why I think I'm feeling like I'm not improving, and I'm not gaining. I'm not gaining knowledge while exploring videos, and I'm not able to express my thoughts. I'm not able to express my what um, I'm not able to convey with my viewers. That's why um, that's why I am feeling stuck for a few days. So um, I am watching videos on YouTube now that how to improve English language. Actually, I know already about it, that how to improve English speaking skills, but then also I am watching these days also, and uh, I um, got a video that where the content creator had said that if we want to learn English, if we want to improve our communication skills, if we want to see significant difference in a few weeks, then we have to do shadowing practice. Yeah, I have heard so many times about this method, but this time I really realized that I need to do shadowing practice. You must be aware of shadowing practice, and in this method, we have to just copy of our native speakers, or native speakers of uh, any other speakers who are fluent in English. If they We have to repeat their sentences words, so that it will be beneficial for us if we can see significant difference in few weeks. She has explained it very beautifully, and i compelled I compelled to believe it, and I realized too that it is really important to do shadowing practice. So, friends, if I am an ambitious person, But sometimes I feel lazy to do anything. I lazy to do English speaking practice as well, because I have to do lots of work at home. And after finished my home, i I feel exhausted, and then I don't feel like to do anything, whatever it comes to my English speaking practice or any other thing. So, but then also I have to manage my consistency. I'm not saying that I stopped practicing after my household chores, but yeah, after my household chores, I have to decrease my um, sorry मतलब पहले जैसे प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ उससे कम प्रैक्टिस पहले जैसे प्रैक्टिस करती थी उससे कम प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ता है. So if I feel exhausted, I don't like to do anything, whatever it comes to my baby or my English speaking practice. So friends, I know only one thing. I need to be persistence in English language. So I always try to be persistent in through with this language. So friends, do you have any desire? Let me know in the comment section. Oh, one thing. मैं भूल जा रही थी. That I am thinking to have conversation with the learners. Yeah, I want to join debate session. Would you like to join with me? If you want, then please message me on Skype app. Yeah, you have already heard about it, so you have to message me on Skype. And if you would like to have conversation with me, then please message me on Skype app. My profile name is there, Juna Barman. Yeah, JUNABARMAN, Juna Barman. So friends, that's all for today. I don't want to say more. Bye.